Okay, this exists because of my wife. This is her favorite item at Starbucks, and it only comes out during the holidays. So we want to make sure we leave the holidays teaching you guys in case you want it like through the rest of the year. All right? So we're doing a rip-off recipe today. So there it is. That is the Cranberry Bliss from Starbucks. We bought some to show you, and we're going to try and recreate that in today's episode. All right, so you got powdered sugar, flour, white chocolate, ginger, eggs, cream cheese, butter, bag of Craisins, 2 squares of baker's chocolate, got salt, is this orange? Yeah. Orange extract, baking powder, vanilla extract, and brown sugar. We have the big bag of brown sugar we found in the back of our closet. All right, first thing we're gonna do is melt the butter. So take it over to the microwave, and then we're gonna mix that into the brown sugar once it's all liquefied. Okay, while you're melting the butter, take all your dry ingredients and mix them all in a bowl. I got the ginger, the salt, the baking powder, and the flour in here. We're gonna mix this first. Then we're gonna add it into the mix, but give it a good stir. You have the melted butter, you're gonna put it over the brown sugar and give that a blend. We're gonna continue to add in our wet ingredients first. So we got the eggs and the extract. So let's do that right now. So we're gonna add the eggs. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon orange into the mix. There's the vanilla. And there's the orange. Can I mix? Here we go. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of thyme right now. Okay, the next step is to put in your white chocolate chips and your Craisins and slowly fold them in, mix them in. It's kind of layering them in so you don't break anything up. And proceed to put the batter into your cookie sheet that has been lined with parchment paper. We don't know how this is gonna work. All right, once you have your dough all spread out, you're gonna bake this at 350 degrees from 18 to 22 minutes. Okay, the whole cake is now fully cooled. It's time to do the frosting. Do not do the frosting when the cake's warm. Wait for it to be cold. So let's start with the frosting with cream cheese, room temperature, of course. And you can take powdered sugar. And then we're going to slowly mix it in. You might want to place a towel on top of this so that the powdered sugar doesn't go flying like you do when you're mixing in the KitchenAid. About halfway through the mix, you're going to add the vanilla. And you're going to add the orange extract. There you go. Now here is where you take that creamy beautifulness and just frost it. All right, now it's time to sprinkle the Craisins. We roughly chop them. And now Tammy's just gonna pipe a little bit of a drizzle out of a Ziploc bag of white chocolate. Let it come out. Just keep, there you go. Just keep moving it around. There you go. All right, and that's what it looks like. Frosted and topped and beautiful and easy to make and way less expensive than buying it at Starbucks. So this is the Starbucks one. This is the one that I made today. They're very similar looking. This looks a little smaller, but let's give it a try. All right, let's find out what, I don't know what this tastes like. Tammy's eating it, I have it, here we go. That's pretty good. No wonder. No wonder she loves this. All right, here we go. The one, whoop. The one we made today is falling apart. Hold on. They're identical. They're exactly identical. My glands are going crazy. What a way to start the year. Beautiful, successful Rippoff recipe. Down below, get your Cranberry Bliss. Love you guys. See you on the next episode. Bye-bye.